Tingin.
No.
So is this only this? Is there
No.
a good one?
Ano patingin? So pretty.
Tingin.
Ganda, no? Ganda, no?
Saan mo nakuha yan?
Ganda, no?
Saan mo nabili?
Ganda, no? Pag ganun ko,
Tanggal. Natanggal na. Tingin nga.
hindi naman. Hanggang dyan.
Sobra.
Hindi naman. Hanggang ganyan.
By the way, your onion that you, the spring onions that you made, the onions that you made, yours died because so.
Wala na. Nalaman ni Kuya.
Ha?
Going to college.
Ano?
Nalaman ni Kuya.
Pagkatapos mo ba? Ano ba?
Strong as can be.
Ano?
Nalaman ni Kuya.
Na? Na ano? Ano nga?
Nalaman.
Ha?
Nalaman ni Kuya.
We.
Oo nga.
Paano?
Pinili to.
We. Kailan ka tinanong?
Kapos.
We.
Baka sa amin nagsabi ka na.
Wala. Walang may alam.
Yeah.
What?
I realized something. You guys always communicate long distance. Parang, Kuya Nico's on the couch there, and you're on the one beneath the plasma. And then, it's just like you talk. And then, I went to the mall to meet with. It's just parang long distance. Why? You can sit like me and tell her.
No, it's better like that.